Dear students, we will discuss about the Giardia lamblia. Today we will discuss about Giardia lamblia. It is intestinal flagellate. It causes giardiasis. It was observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1681. The today topic is Giardia lamblia. It is intestinal flagellate. It causes giardiasis. It was observed by Leeuwenhoek. The main symptom of giardiasis is watery diarrhea. Main symptom of giardiasis is watery diarrhea. The Giardia life cycle shows two stages. Giardia exists in two phases. The first stage is trophozoite and the second one is cyst. It mainly exists in two phases, trophozoite and cyst. Trophozoite. The trophozoite shape is tennis racket or badminton rocket or pierce shape. Tennis or badminton rocket shape or pierce shape. It have the flagella. It have 4 pairs of flagella. It consists 4 pairs of flagella or 8 flagella. The trophozoite movement, rapid movement by this flagella. Trophozoite movement by this flagella. It consists flagella. So it is called intestinal flagellate and it infects small intestine. It lives in small intestine of human beings. So it is intestinal flagellate and the size of trophozoite is 14 micrometers long and 7 micrometers broad. 14 micrometers long and 7 micrometers broad. Trophozoite have the 4 pairs of flagella and it consists basal granules, parabasal body and posterior flagella, axostele and the nucleus. It consists nucleus and rhizoplast. And the second stage, the second phase is cyst. The cyst is oval shape. The cyst is oval shape and the size is 12 micrometers long. The long is 12 micrometers and the broad 7 micrometers. The cyst size about 12 micrometers long, broad 7 micrometers. It is oval shape. The cyst is the dormant state of lamblia. It is the dormant state. And the symptoms of giardiasis is abdominal pain, watery diarrhea, indigestion, fatigue, loss of appetite, malnutrition, weight loss, foul smelling stool. These are the symptoms of giardiasis. The main symptom is watery diarrhea. It includes abdominal pain and indigestion, fatigue, loss of appetite, malnutrition, weight loss, foul smelling stool. These are the symptoms of giardiasis. This Giardia lamblia lives in small intestine and absorbs the nutrients from the intestinal area. Absorbs nutrients from intestinal area. So malnutrition we can face. We can face malnutrition due to this infection because it absorbs the nutrients from human body. So we occur malnutrition. And in the cyst, this cyst is remain for many days as a dormant state and after enter into the water through contamination, they again infect the human beings. The transmission of this giardia is through contaminated food and water. Giardia lamblia enter human body through contaminated food and water and it infects the small intestine and absorbs nutrients and they grow in intestinal area and disturbs the intestine function. It disturbs intestine function and causes watery diarrhea known as giardiasis. The disease name is giardiasis. The causative agent is Giardia lamblia. It was observed by the Leeuwenhoek, and it is trophozoite is pierce or tennis racket shape, and the oval shape cyst is formed. These are the two stages of Giardia life cycle. The Giardia life cycle consists mainly two stages, trophozoite and cyst. Trophozoite movement by the flagella. Trophozoite movement by the flagella. The flagellas are 8 or 4 pairs, and the diagnosis of Giardia is microscopic examination by wet mount preparation. Diagnosis include microscopic examination by the wet mount preparation, that is saline wet mount and iodine preparation. Iodine method and saline method we can useful for diagnosis of the Giardia. And the Entero test. The Entero test is useful for diagnosis. The gelatin capsules are used for this test. Gelatin capsule. This capsule is tied with a string or thread. Gelatin capsules tied with a string, and this capsule is swallowed by a patient and swallowed by a person, and the another end of the thread, one end is tied with gelatin capsule. The gelatin capsule is tied with a thread or string. Another end is attaches to the cheek of the patient with tape. Another end is attaches with cheek with the tape, and the gelatin capsule is swallowed by a patient. After some time the gelatin dissolves and the syringe is taken and testing for Giardia lamblia. Microscopic examination that consists mucus. The syringe consists mucus. The mucus take on the slide and observed under the microscope. We can observe the trophozoite or cyst stages, and we can diagnose the Giardia lamblia. That is Entero test. Entero test. In this test we use gelatin capsule. This gelatin capsule is tied with a string, and the one end is tied with gelatin cap. Another end is attaches the cheek of the patient with tape, and this capsule is swallowed by a person, and after some time the syringe is take outside. It consists the sample. The thread consists sample. The sample taken on a slide and observed under the microscopic examination by wet mount preparation, and observe the Giardia lamblia. It is the Entero test for diagnosis of Giardia. And the precautions or preventive measures we can follow this Giardia lamblia is take hygienic food and drink proper purified water or boiling water. Filtered water we can drink, and taking food, it is prepared in hygienic conditions only, and prevent the contamination of water with fecal matter. Prevent the contamination of water with fecal matter is main preventive measure. Prevent the water contamination by fecal matter, because this trophozoite trophozoite present in small intestine. After the cyst forms, enter in large intestine and they excrete through the fecal matter. Cyst are excrete through the fecal matter. This fecal matter contaminate the water. The water consists this Giardia. We can use the contaminated water without boiling. They enter in our body and they live in intestine and disturb the intestinal function, and malnutrition also occur because it take all nutrients for their growth. It causes giardiasis. So main preventive measure is prevent the contamination of water with fecal matter and take boiled, filter, purified water and hygienic food only. These are the preventive measures to prevention of the entry of Giardia lamblia in human beings. This is about the Giardia lamblia. Giardia lamblia is intestinal flagellate because it targets the small intestine and it consists flagella. So it is called intestinal flagellate. It causes giardiasis. The main symptom of giardiasis is watery diarrhea. It was observed by the Leeuwenhoek. Giardia lamblia exist. The life cycle shows two stages. The first is trophozoite and the second stage is cyst. Trophozoite is movement with the flagella and cyst is the dormant state for some time. And the trophozoite shape is tennis or badminton racket or pierce shape, and the cyst shape is oval shape. The size of trophozoite is 14 micrometers long and 7 micrometers broad, and the cyst size is 12 micrometers long and 7 micrometers broad. And this trophozoite consists 8 flagella, 4 pairs of flagella. These are useful for the motility or movement. And the cyst consists 4 nucleus. The binary fission occurs and it forms 4 nucleus. Tetranucleus are observed in the cyst. And the symptoms include of giardiasis is abdominal pain, diarrhea, indigestion, fatigue, loss of appetite, malnutrition, weight loss, and foul smelling stool. These are the symptoms of giardiasis. For diagnosis of this parasite, microscopic examination is used. The microscopic examination by wet mount preparation, that is saline and iodine method, and the entero test also used. In this entero test we use gelatin capsule. This gelatin capsule is tied with a syringe and another end is attaches the cheek of the patient, and this gelatin capsule is swallowed by a patient, and after some time the syringe is take outside and the syringe consists the sample. The sample is examined by microscopic examination. This is about the Giardia lamblia. Okay.